Good morning, superstars. Today, we're going to stretch like superheroes. Because superheroes don't just fly, they focus, breathe, and move their energy from head to toe. Let's go. These special stretches help us wake up our brains, move our bodies, and feel strong. Let's get our muscles warm and ready before we zoom into action. Neck nods. Gently nod your head yes, then no. This helps wake up the muscles in your superhero neck. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders back like you're putting on your cape. Nice and smooth, now roll them forward. Arm swings. Swing your arms across your chest like you're hugging the air. Now open big like a superhero ready for action. Let's stretch from top to bottom just like a superhero, charging up energy. Each move lasts about 30 to 45 seconds. Power reach stretch. Stand tall and stretch your arms way up to the sky. Reach higher like you're flying over the city. Feel the energy in your fingertips. Side to side star stretch. Reach one arm to the side like you're pointing at a star. Now switch sides, stretch and shine. Hero lunge pose. Step one foot forward and bend your front knee. Hold your arms out like you're ready to leap into action. Switch legs and feel your super legs getting stronger. Super spin stretch. Spin slowly in a circle. Then stop and reach out wide. This helps your body balance and your brain feel happy. Cape flow forward bend. Bend forward slowly and let your arms hang like a cape. Let your head relax, it's a calm superhero moment. Lightning bolt twist. Stand with feet apart and twist your body to the left, zoom. Now twist to the right, zap. You're charging your brain. Balance like a hero. Lift one leg and stretch your arms out like you're flying. Can you hold your balance? Try the other leg too. Great work! Now let's help our superhero bodies cool down and recharge. Deep belly breath. Inhale like you're filling a balloon. Exhale like blowing out a birthday candle. Brain hug. Wrap your arms around yourself and squeeze. You're amazing and your brain is ready for a great day. You did it, super stretchers. See you next time.